Hello and welcome to episode 164 of the Daily Shed. Today I'll be showing you a basic lesson, a D major scale, a 1-octave D major scale over a D root. And I like playing these scales over a root because you can really hear how the chord tones relate to the root. And it's also a nice exercise for thumb and finger independence here. So I'm doing open D string and I'm up at the 7th fret to start here. Back down. Now, I would recommend alternating your fingers, using your thumb to repeat on the D, and then your index and middle fingers alternating. And start very slow at first, and really hear how each note relates to the root, and then keep increasing the speed and make sure it's just very smooth and very legato, each note held out as long as possible. Very good thing to have under your fingers and to get comfortable with moving higher up the neck. So I hope it's useful to you. As always, thank you for listening.